Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Quizzes tool in CougarVIEW. Today we will describe the basic overview of the options available in the Quizzes tool. You can access the Quizzes tool two different ways. You can go to Content and select the module where you want to create a quiz, and then click Upload Create and click New Quiz. Or you can go to the Course Home toolbar, click Assessments, and click on Quizzes. At the top, there are 4 tabs. Manage Quizzes shows you a list of the quizzes you have created. To edit an existing quiz, click the drop-down arrow next to the quiz name and select Edit. You can select to bulk edit, which means you will make edits to more than one quiz at a time. And then you would click Save to save any changes. You can also view by category or by availability, and then click Apply. To create new quiz, click the New Quiz button. There is a separate video on how to create a new quiz using the Quizzes tool in CougarVIEW. To edit or add a category, click Edit Categories, and then you would click Add Category and type the name of the category. Creating categories makes it easier to find quizzes with similar or related content. To delete a category, check the box next to the name of the category and click the delete icon that looks like a tiny trash can, and click Save and Close. More Actions allows you to reorder quizzes, make your quizzes visible or hidden from users, lets you delete quizzes, and you can also restore deleted quizzes. The question library is a place that stores and archives questions which you can use within a course. You can create multiple sections within the question library to organize your questions by type and topic. On the left side, you can click Question Library to preview all the sections within your question library. Sections can be thought of as folders where individual questions can be grouped together. Click New to create a new section within the question library, or you can create a new quiz question. Click Import to add questions to the question library from either an external file or an existing quiz in Brightspace. This toolbar provides instructors with several options. Move allows you to move questions into sections or sections into other sections. Delete allows you to delete questions or sections from the question library. Order allows you to rearrange questions or sections within the question library. And Edit Values allows you to edit the number of points, the level of difficulty, or change the mandatory status of individual quiz questions. Instructors can click on the drop-down menu of individual quiz questions to edit and preview the item selected or to view the attempts made to the chosen question. If you click the drop-down menu next to the section, it provides instructors with the ability to edit settings for this chosen section. The statistics page shows quiz averages. If you click on the name of a quiz, you can view the user statistics, question statistics, and question details. I'm going to go back to the Manage Quizzes page. There is an option for using a lockdown browser. There are some videos and guides to get you started, but if you need assistance using this option, please let us know at the Center of Online Learning and we will be happy to help. This concludes the tutorial on how to use the quizzes tool in CougarView. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Center of Online Learning.